Bringing new employees up to speed takes too long in many factories. I am Monika, and in this episode of Monika Explains, let's look at how to shorten onboarding and build productive teams from day one. New hires often spend weeks shadowing colleagues before they can contribute independently. During this time, mistakes are common, output is lower, and experienced staff lose valuable time supervising instead of focusing on their own work. The answer is to combine structured online training with practical onboarding on the floor. With online modules, employees learn core fundamentals first. Then, when they enter production, they already have the knowledge, so hands-on time becomes practice, not guesswork. BizLink Online Training supports this approach before new hires ever touch a machine. And the impact? Less time shadowing, fewer errors in the first week, and faster contribution to production goals. Are you turning onboarding time into productive time? Build the future-ready workforce with BizLink Online Training.